Can I use landscape material to protect my garden plants from frost? And this is from Dorothy in Hayti, Missouri. All right, so using landscape material, right? Because again, we've had frost, you know, in this area, and definitely had it in Missouri. So what can she use?
Well, yes, she could use landscape material. In fact, I was in Missouri recently, and at the nurseries there, they use different types of gravel to heal in their trees at the nurseries to keep them standing up. So, I mean, yes, you can. Landscape fabric, anything that to cover them, to protect them from the cold is a good thing. I use buckets occasionally. I mean, I don't usually have a whole garden full of stuff, and I have used some landscape fabric when I didn't have enough buckets to go over everything, and I said, well, you know, here, I'll just put a little landscape fabric over the top of you, and that should hold. But one thing you've got to remember is you've got to uncover it.
That's right. Yeah, that's right.
That's the important part. I mean, the next day it'd be sunny.
Right.
And if you've put cut any kind of gallon containers, you know, milk cartons, soda containers, and you put it over the top to save them that night. Well, if it's sunny the next day, you're going to get them. You're going to have create a greenhouse, and you're going to have to get that off of there. So actually, darker materials to keep the sun out would probably be a better idea if you can't, you know, if you have to go leave early from work, you know, to work, and you can't get back in time to be able to uncover them. Something that is not clear to create that greenhouse effect would probably be better to put on them to protect them.
And another thing, you want to make sure you're not laying directly on the plant.
Right.
You want to get you some stakes or something kind of around there for them. Air can get through it, but not frost get on there. But you don't want to get too hot laying directly on your plant. Like Joellen said, early that morning, you need to take it off. It can heat up so fast by there.
And it needs to come all the way down to the ground as well.
To the ground.
Right, because the heat, of course, is radiating from the ground. Right. So yeah, any landscape material, and I know people that use, you know, for their container plants, pine straw. You just kind of cover it up with pine straw. Yeah. You know, and that works as well. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, subscribe. We have hundreds of family plot videos for you to view.